2024 question 6 on paper 2 is division of a line segment. The point C divides the line segment AB. So let's just sketch that. Let's sketch AB. And we have a ratio of 1 to 3, so C looks like it's approximately here. So C is 611. A is given to us 113. And we're looking for B. And the ratio is 1 to 3, so a jump of 1 and a jump of 3. Well, what's happening with X here between A and C? We're going from 1 to 6, so X, 1 jump is 5 units. So 3 more jumps will be 15 units on top of 6. So that's going to get me to 21. And then with Y, we're going from 13 down to 11. So Y is minus 2 for 1 jump. So 3 more jumps will be minus 6 for 3 jumps. So minus 6 from 11 is 5 for B. Part 2 is find a perpendicular distance from a point to a line. So we just need to rearrange the line so that it's AX plus BY plus C equals 0. So we multiply by 3, we get 3y equals 4x minus 33. So bringing them all to the same side of the equal sign, we're going to get 4x minus 3y minus 33 is equal to 0. So A is equal to 4, B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to minus 33. And we have our X and our Y. X is equal to minus 2 and Y is equal to, sorry, wrong way around. Y is equal to minus 2. X is equal to plus 5. So you don't know the formula off by heart, just look it up in the tables. AX1 in the tables plus BY plus C over the square root of A squared plus B squared. It's going to be A goes with X, so 4 times 5 plus we have B times Y. My values are minus 3 and minus 2. And then I have minus 33. The absolute value of all of that over the square root of 4 squared plus 3 squared, which we know is 5. So this is the absolute value of 20 plus 6 minus 33 over 5, which is minus 7. 26 minus 33 minus 7 over 5. So the absolute value of this is just 7 over 5. So in the coordinate diagram below, 16 points are marked with a dot, and these are all points in the form Mn, where they're natural numbers. So they're just points between 0 and 4. How many different points, pairs of points, can be picked from 16? Well, that's 16, choose 2. If you're taking 2 from 16, which is 16 by 15 over 2 by 1, which is 8 by 15, which is 120. For the first part, 2 points are picked at 2 points that are picked are joined with a straight line. Find the probability it's horizontal. So obviously this is not horizontal. Now the horizontals will be along this way. So that's one line, say, going that way. You can go from the first one to the second one will be 2. Then we could go from the first one to the third one, which would be 3. We could also go from the second one to the third one, which would be 4. We could go from the third one to the fourth one, which would be 5. And then I think the last one is the third one to the second one to the last one, which would be 6. I think there's 6 different straight lines there. None of them seem to be the same. So I think we have 6 that can happen in one stretch of this. So we have 4 of those. So 6 by 4, there's 24 possible horizontal lines out of a total of 120, which is a fifth.